Hello, friends. Welcome back to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, and today we're solving problems.
And I'm Adam. Not big problems, everyday ones. When something goes wrong and we need the right English words.
We'll tell stories, learn vocabulary, and practice together.
Ready? Let's go.
Last week, I went to a cafe. I ordered a hot tea.
But you got iced coffee, right?
Exactly. I felt shy. I didn't want to be rude, so I said, "Excuse me, I think this is not my order."
The worker smiled and said, "Oh, I'm sorry, I'll fix it."
Problem solved, and everyone was happy. Let's learn some useful words. One order, what you ask for at a cafe or restaurant. My order is tea. Two, mistake, something wrong. There was a mistake with my drink. Three, fix, make something right. They will fix the problem.
Repeat after us. This is my order. There was a mistake. Can you fix it?
When something is wrong, say, "Excuse me, I think there's a problem."
Be polite. Calm voice, small smile. Could you check this, please? My apartment light stopped working. I touched the switch. Nothing.
Dark room, sad Adam.
I texted the building manager. Hello, the light in my room is not working. Can someone help?
And what happened?
15 minutes later. New light. Sunshine again.
One, broken, not working. The light is broken. Two, repair, fix something. They repaired the light. Three, manager, the person responsible. I spoke to the building manager.
Repeat after us. It's broken. Can you repair it? I spoke to the manager.
My friend bought shoes online. They were too small.
Ouch. Small shoes are pain and fashion disaster.
She went to the store and said, "Hi, I'd like to return these. They don't fit." The worker said, "No problem. Would you like a bigger size?" Problem solved again.
No worries, meaning it's okay. Don't stress.
Take it step by step, meaning solve problems slowly, one part at a time. Repeat after us. "Excuse me, I think there's a problem. Can you help me, please? It doesn't fit. Can I return this?"
And one more, I can handle this.
Sometimes life feels like everything breaks at the same time.
Phone battery, Wi-Fi, and your patience. Ha ha ha.
Friends, problems happen to everyone,
But you don't need perfect English. You need simple, polite English.
and every time you solve a problem, you feel stronger.
Thanks for learning with us today.
Practice these sentences. Use them in real life. See you next time on Amjee's English World.